Hello, good morning, Ainur.
Good morning. Hello.
Thank you for joining this chat session for Eurasia Research.
Thank you for you too.
How are you doing today?
Very well.
Okay,
Thanks.
okay. Okay, so we will move ahead with the chat session now. And first of all, I would like to ask you a little bit about your academic profile, your brief bio, and a little bit about your research that you presented at the conference.
Okay. My name is Ainur Azatbakyt. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm a Master of Pedagogical Sciences. Currently, I'm studying philology, Kazakh philology at Department Kazakh Russian and the Journalism at in Sarsen Amanjov, East Kazakhstan University. My presentation was about teaching methods of my research topic is teaching the first stories of Mukhtar Awazov in high school. Mukhtar Awazov was a famous, talented writer in our nation, and he was a scientist, doctor of philology, and also famous people all over the world. And he's famous with his epic novel, The Way of Abai, which is translated to many different languages all over the world. And my research work deals with the methods of with the teaching methods of short stories of Mukhtar Awazov's. And I explored and investigated many different methods and the technologies of teaching stories of Mukhtar Awazov in higher education.
Okay.
And also I compared them with foreign literature, and also I worked with philosophical and psychological, also literary sides of my research work.
Okay, thank you for your lovely intro and telling us about your research. It will really help the participants, future participants of our conference. So my next question is, what was your motivation during COVID era to carry out your research and participate in the conference as well?
Okay, during the pandemic days in COVID, we had to stay at home, and we locked down, and we couldn't go out anywhere. And as for me, I'm a mother, and I have three young children, and I had to stay at home. And also, I do my research work online. I participated in different scientific conferences, and I had my classes online with Zoom meetings. And I think it was very convenient and useful for me to work online. And I could do my research work with the help of websites, different, and ebooks, and other materials was available in that time.
Okay.
And we always keep in touch with our research supervisors, and they gave us many different scientific tasks.
Okay. So, all right, moving ahead with the next question. What is your opinion on attending an online conference rather than a physical conference?
From my point of view, I prefer online conferences rather than physical, because First of all, it's very convenient, and you can arrange the time when you are busy. For example, when especially for women who have a family, it's very convenient and useful. And that time you couldn't go travel overseas, and that's why you can just arrange your time and keep in touch in by online conferences, and wherever you are in your time, you can keep in touch and meet with your, for example, professors in online conferences.
Okay, so my next question is, would you suggest encouraging your friends and colleagues to attend the conference online?
Of course, I encourage and recommend my colleagues and friends to online international conferences because it's very useful and convenient when they do research works. It develops their research skills, and when they are busy, they can choose such kind of research, international research conferences. I think if they have time, they can join. They can join anytime.
Okay. So what is your positive feedback about the conference that you attended recently?
I liked your conference. Everything, all the procedures is organized very well. It was very great chance for me to exchange with experiences with other researchers all over the world. And also I can enjoy their presentations also. And we share with our opinions, and it was very a great experience for me. And in future, I think I will definitely will join you, and also I will participate
The
in your
conference.
conference.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, and thank you for attending this chat session also. We are honored to have you, and it will be a great pleasure to see you at our future conferences as well. Thank you so much, and have a great day now. Thank you.
Thank you for you too. Thank
Thank you
you
so
very much. Goodbye.
Bye.